Hi Dresser Kitties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw True from True and the Rainbow Kingdom. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another one. There, so now I have my circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. You know what? Excuse me while I get a new marker. This is totally drying up. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I should have made sure before I started. Okay, now that I have that, then let's draw the lines at the bottom. There. So same exact thing on this side. Okay, so they're finally all done. Then from there, let's spruce up her eyes and say about right here on the sides, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw 3 of these lashes. So I'm just gonna pop them out with a curve. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to come about right here on the tips and thicken them up. There. So same exact thing on this side. 1, probably make the center one a little bit longer, and 3. And then come back in here and thicken up the tips. There. Then from there, I'm going to draw her brow. So let's come up about right here. I'm just going to draw this little curve. It kind of slants down a little bit, right above each eye. So say about right here. Just a short little brow above each eye. There. And then let's give her a sweet smile. So in between her huge eyes, let's come about right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve that slightly goes upwards and cap it off. So then now that we're done with that, let's come back and we're going to frame her face. So let's come to the top of her eye and come out really close to these lashes. About here, same thing on this side, but right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a bottom of a U. So let's come down. Same thing here. Come down, and then I'm going to find my center. So just kind of imagine how far you want it to go. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And so I'm going to just connect this curve nice and round like a U to my point. So it's just easier for me to see where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big. So same thing here. And connect. There, so nice and round all the way around. Then from there, we're gonna go up. So I'm gonna extend this up. It's kind of like to where her brow is. It's kind of to the top of her brow, about right there. So same thing here, top of her brow. Extend that up, and then we're going to draw her bangs. So let's start on this side. I'm basically just going to be drawing a bunch of curves. So 3 main ones right here and then one that kind of splits off. So I'll start right here. I'm going to go up with 1 and everything's just right above her brow. Maybe another one a little bit shorter. And then we're going to have one bigger one that comes down towards the center a little bit more. And go up. And then this one is just going to come down all the way to there. Then let's see here, let's extend this out. And this extends out as well. There. And then we're just going to connect it with a big curve on top. For the top of her head. So let's see, let's just see about how high we want to bring this. About right about there. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect. There. It's a funny shape, right? But then let's come back in and we're going to make sense of all this. Let's come about right here and we're going to connect so that we have these individual strands. And here as well. There, and then this one as well. Just to simplify, we're just going to go like this. And so now that we have that, let's come to the top here before I forget. On this side right here, we're going to draw this little accessory that she has on her hair and 2 more circles. So bigger ones on the side. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back and we're going to come right about here and we're going to pop in a curve that comes to maybe about the center of her eye. So let's bring this curve down to about right there. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So let's say about right here. We're just going to pop out a curve for the rest of her hair to finish it off. And then her ears, we're going to pop them out about right here. To draw a curve, and then we're just going to draw 2 curves inside for some detail. So same thing here. Just going to the bottom of her eye, so about right here. And 2 curves. There. Well, actually, you know what? Looks like it's way too low. I mean, way too high. I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. Okay, there, a little bit better. Then from there, let's draw the rest of her hair a little bit later, her pigtails. Let's come back and draw her body. So I'm going to come right in the center, say about right here and here. And we're just going to give her this little neck. Right about here, and then we're just going to connect it. A little neck, and then we're going to come out for her shoulders. You just draw 2 angle lines. And then we're going to stop right there because she has these poofy sleeves. So before we draw the sleeves, we're just going to come right about here and we're going to draw 2 angle lines down on both sides. There. And so let's bring this down a little bit more. And about right there, let's come back up. We're going to draw a little cuff right here, and then let's connect this. So we're just connected with a V towards the center, and let's thicken that up, little detail, and up there. And then her skirt, we're going to flare it out from about right here, come out on both sides. And now that we're about the same level, let's go ahead and we're just going to connect it with a bunch of curves all the way across. There. And let's follow the curve you just made for some details. And let's see here, now to draw her legs. So let's come down. We're just gonna have her standing apart. So let's say about right here and here in the center. I'm gonna come down with an angle line. And this part's gonna come out. So it's a little bit thinner on the top and wider as it comes down. So it's very stylish, stylized. So I'm going to bring this down, so it's going to get wider as we come down. And I'm going to bring this down to about right there, and then let's go ahead and finish her shoe. So notice this line right here is a little bit lower, and because we're going to come back right here and we're going to curve down and then connect it all the way back up to create her shoe. There. And then for some details, you come back right about here. Just follow your bottom line for sole. And then we're going to come back about right here, cut it off for her boot. If you want, you can pop it out. And then she has some socks about right here. Just going to cut it off again. There. So same exact thing on this side. So just going to follow what you did on the other side. Bring it all the way down, and then same thing. It's a little bit thinner on the top, and then it's going to get wider as we come down. To about right there, and then once again, we're just going to extend this out, and we're going to pop this out and connect. There. Okay, so once again, same thing. We're going to cut it off right here for her boots. And you pop it out. And her socks. I won't draw in the stripes. I'll color them in just so I don't muddle up the black Sharpie. And now that we have that, let's come back and draw her sleeves. So I'm going to come right here and poof them out to about right here and right here. Connect it. Then we're going to do a little cuff that comes out. From there, let's go ahead and finish her arms. So we're going to have them bent and have her hands about right here. So let's come out right here, and then we're going to pop in an angle down and out. So we're just going to follow. Let's come right about here, elbow in, and then down once again, and then a little curve for a finger. So same thing over here. Just going to pop out the sleeve, and once again about right here, just connect everything at this angle, and then a little cuff right here, and once again same thing. We're going to end the hands about the same area, so come down and angle. And just follow, elbow in, angle, and then a little finger there. Okay, finally done with the hands. So then you can put in a little bit detail right here, little curves, and then let's see. She has this little strap, so let's come back to the center, and we're going to draw a big circle right in the center. And we're going to connect it. So let's come about right here. We're going to connect it all the way across, and same thing here. Towards the center and down. And then for this logo, it's basically those 3 circles just like here. But since it's my Draw So Cute True, I'm going to come right here and draw a heart to make her my Draw So Cute True. But if you don't want that, then you just draw 3 circles connected together. But that is pretty much it. Oh no, actually, you know what? I forgot her pigtails. So important. Okay, let's come back right here. And basically like drawing a upside down heart. We're going to come about right here where her ears are. And we're just going to draw 2 big curves. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. Very important detail. Okay, there. Pop this in. So same thing here. Kind of like where the ears are. And then we're just going to fit them in. About right here. So come out, 1 and 2. and just bring it in. And now we are finally done. So that adds so much more character to her, right? Makes her look so much better. But that is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw True here from True and the Rainbow Kingdom, and that I made this fun and easy for you. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.